Karma today has become an integral part of our lives. We talk about karma every day, about the laws of karma, about whether we can change our karma. Is there a possibility to change our destiny by changing our karma? But my question is, what is karma? When I speak to most people, I get one answer, a standard simple answer. Karma is action. Is karma just action? Really? Karma is not just action in the body. Karma is that which is of the mind, body, and speech. So, before we really try to change karma and get into the details of that, let us first understand what is karma. The origin of karma actually is here in your thoughts. The first thought that I think is my first karma. The action happens later, the speech comes later, but my first thought is my first karma, and that is the most important part of karma, which we don't even realize. There is a very powerful saying that I have heard all my life, and I'm sure all of you also have heard this. We say that a man is what he thinks, you are what you think. So the thoughts are so important that what I think is what I actually become. That is the strength of the thought. And we take it just as a thought, a mere thought. We don't even realize that is our first karma. Let me explain this now better with an example. Let's talk about two different people. One, a soldier in the army, and one, a person who wants to spread terror, pain, unrest in the society. Two different people. Both people, as a part of what they're doing, kill somebody. The soldier fights a war for the country and he kills a person during war, or maybe more. At the same time, this person who wanted to create terror, unrest in the society also kills people. Both have killed. Action is the same. Then what differentiates the action? It is the thought behind the action. The soldier has killed because he wanted to save his people, save his country. In this particular birth, that killing somebody is part of his karma. He has to do it as a part of his karma. Whereas the other person who has killed has created unrest, pain, terror, suffering, sorrow. That act, is that positive compared to the act of the soldier? So when you see it now with a wider perspective, the action is the same. What is differentiating a good action from a bad action is the thought behind that particular action. So we as human beings have to understand that if our thoughts are not clean, what we do as action will really not matter. We meet people in our lives. There are so many people who will talk to you very nicely. So the action, what shows in the body, is really nice. The speech is beautiful. They talk to you very nicely. But in their mind, they have poison against you. They have jealousy against you. They hold hatred against you, dislike towards you. Now tell me, is that action which is showing physically in the body, that particular speech which is all of sweetness, does that really matter? What is being judged? What is being looked at in the higher court? It is what you are doing here first is which is most important. Unless I change the quality of my thoughts, I cannot change as a human being. We will go to changing karmas and all that much later. First, just change that little thought. My Baba, my Sai Baba, has taught me that when you think good, you automatically do good. When you think pure, what comes out of you is also purity. When you don't dislike anybody, you don't feel jealousy, you don't feel hatred. When you make that effort, that whatever is inside me is pure, obviously pure will go out. We say so many times that what we give to the cosmos comes back to us. When I give good thoughts, good has to come back to me. So please make a change in your thoughts before those actual physical actions. That is like I said, an extension of the thoughts only. So be good, think good, and trust me, if you want to make your life better, and actually ultimately if you want to change your karma, it's going to happen at a very, very subtle level, at a very in a very different plane altogether. What you see physically is just an external manifestation of that which is happening at a far higher plane. And what's happening in that higher plane is in your emotional body, is in your mental body, which is governing your thoughts. Make the thoughts good, live good emotions, and do good in your lives, which is the most important thing actually. Om Sai Ram.